While it's positive that the country maintained a trade surplus, which simply means that during the fourth quarter South Africa exported more than it imported, the trade surplus did, however, narrow. It narrowed to 74 billion rand compared to 92 billion rand in the third quarter. And the reason for that was simply that the rand exchange rate had appreciated relative to the US dollar, making imported products more affordable, and so there was increased demand for imports. While the current account deficit widened to 2.9% of GDP as a result of the narrowing trade surplus, analysts say you can't just look at one quarter in isolation.
It's the trend that matters. So if we see further strengthening in the rand, obviously that's going to be pretty good if you're an importer. So all of a sudden your import figures are going to start surprising on the upside, which could be negative. In other words, that could then again, all these things are connected. Then one's got to take a look at our interest rates, whether or should one leave it at that. But yeah, I think the rand has certainly surprised, going stronger for quite a considerable time now, and that kind of thing might continue.
In other data, there was good news on the inflation front. February headline CPI slowed to 4% year on year. That's well within the Reserve Bank's inflation target band of 3 to 6%. So the burning question is, could the central bank cut households some slack and cut rates next week?
They certainly have a lot more incentive. I think if one takes a look at the part of local economists, they all expect that a rate cut might in the offing. There's certainly no reason for them to increase rate. Maybe they'll be a bit more cautious, but certainly the kind of inflation figure we saw this morning adds to the argument that we can afford a rate cut.
All will be revealed on the 28th of March when the MPC delivers its decision on rates. It would be a welcome cash injection for households who are about to meet with various tax onslaughts, including 15% VAT, come the 1st of April. Nampumela Losiziba, SABC News, Johannesburg.